Hi, my name is Ajit, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to add "and" in an English sentence. "And" is something that we use mostly in the sentence, and if it is not used correctly, then it would be grammatically incorrect. So, let us see how to add "and" in a English sentence. So, let's begin. Easy to identify when to add "and" in a sentence. If we have any word that starts with a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, then you have to add "and" before that. So some of the examples that I wanted to highlight over here is: I would like to schedule an appointment. An email was sent to you yesterday. I need to order an item from your website. An urgent matter requires your attention. I received an invitation to the event. So here you can see in all these sentences, "and" is used before a word which starts with vowel. And very important to note over here is it's not only the letters but also the sound. Like, it should sound, if it sounds like a vowel, for example, we can take here is har. So when we say har, it is like an har. That is how we mention, right? Even though har starts with h, here the h letter is silent in har, and whenever we say har, we start it as a vowel. We call it out as her, which sounds like a vowel. You have to note that it's not only the letters but also how it sounds. I hope this tutorial on using "and" in a sentence was useful for you. I am going to create a series of videos that will help you to create sentences in an email, for example, without any grammatical error. So in order to not to miss these videos, please do subscribe me and please give a like to show your support. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.